Hello everyone, welcome back in today's EVS class. So dear students, we were studying chapter 5 Anita and the Honeybees. In this chapter, we were studying the story of Anita Kushwaha, who is a girl child, who is a girl star, how she become a beekeeper. So now let's continue the chapter. I completed my beekeeping course, but I did not have money to keep my own bees and start work. I continued to teach and with time could collect rupees 5,000. With this money, I bought two boxes for keeping bees. Each box cost rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees and medicines to clean the beehives. Dear students, as you already know, Anita Kushwaha is narrating her own story and she is telling how she became a beekeeper. She completed her beekeeping course, but she did not have enough money to start work. But she continued to teach and collected rupees 5,000. With this money, she bought how much boxes? How many boxes? Two boxes. And each boxes cost rupees 2,000. Means two boxes cost rupees 4,000. Now she had 1,000 remaining money. With this remaining money, she bought sugar syrup for the honeybees and also medicines to clean the beehives. That was in the September. By December, I had so many bees that I had to buy two more boxes. I was still learning about beekeeping. Many times the bees would sting me and my hands and face would get swollen. Swollen means फूल जाना, सूज जाना. Sting, जो bees के sting होते हैं, जब वो अनीता को काट लेते थे, sting मार देते थे, तो उससे उसका face क्या हो जाता था? Swollen, सूज जाता था. It would pain a lot. How could I complain to anybody? I myself had decided to do this work. Now find out, what do people in your area put on the part of the body where the bee has stung? Draw a picture of honeybee in your notebook, color it and give it a name. You have to do this in your notebook itself. Now, the lychee trees come to flower in February. In lychee trees, the flower comes in the month of February. I put all my 4 boxes near the lychee orchards. Means lychee के फलों के बाग. Orchard माने होता है बाग. I got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. She had 4 boxes, 4 beehive boxes, and from each box she collected 12 kilogram of honey. So she total has 48 kg of honey. I sold this honey in the market. This was my first earning from my bees. Now I have 20 boxes. Means today she had 20 boxes and she started her work with 2 boxes only. What will be the total cost of Anita's 20 boxes? You have to find out by yourself. Every day I cycle to my college. My college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When I go to the college, my mother prepares the syrup for the bees and my father looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Anita is studying in a college and her college is 5 kilometers away from her village. So she used to go from by bicycle. So when she is in college, her mother prepares the syrup for the bees and her father look after the bees. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. She goes to all the villages meetings and talks about how important it is for everyone to study. Because of her work, Anita is known by every people in the villages nearby. Why? Because she is a girl star. She start studying. Normally in rural areas, girls are not allowed to study. So she is known by most of the peoples. Sometimes people make fun of her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. Anita wants to become a wholesaler. What Anita wants to become a wholesaler? Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey. Now you have to find this by yourself. Anita and others in her village get rupees 35 for 1 kilogram of honey. How much does 1 kilogram of honey cost in your town? You have to find this answer in your by yourself, and you have to write this in your notebook. What are the different colors of honey that you have seen? And the last one is honey used in your house? What is it used for? You have to write this answer in your book itself. Every beehive has one queen bee that lay eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all the day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of the nectar. What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet liquid that bees collect from flowers to make the honey. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. Means when one bee finds some nectar in a flower, then she did a special kind of dance. And this dance means that tells the other bees that she had found the nectar. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as workers. Which are some other insects that live together in a group like honeybees? This we will discuss further in this video. Ants live and work together like honeybees. Unlike honeybees, ants also live together. The queen ant lays the eggs. The soldier ants look after and guard the ants nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for the food and bringing it to the nest. In the same way, termites and wasps also live like this. Means they also live together in a colony. Now look at this question. Have you seen where ants live? What kind of eatables attract ants? List them. Look at a line of ants. What is its color? Have you been bitten by any ant? What was the ant like? Black or red? Big or small? Do ants ever come near you? When? Look carefully at some big and small ants. How many legs does an ant have? These questions you have to do by yourself. Now we will discuss further in this video. Look at this picture. You can clearly see this. What is this? This is a beehive. Means मधुमक्खियों का एक छत्ता. Dear students, In a beehive, there are mainly three types of bees. 1, 2 and 3. Look at the picture. Number 1 is queen, means Rani. There is just one queen in the hive, means each hive only a single queen. Her job is to lay eggs and preside over. Her job is to lay only eggs. Now the number 2 is worker bees. All worker bees are female. Their role is to collect food and water and care for the hive. And the number 3 is drone. D-R-O-N-E, drone. Drones are the only males in the hive. Only males means queen and worker bees are the females, and the male bees in a beehives are called drones. Now look at this picture. This picture depicts the life cycle of a honeybee. Life cycle. The job of the queen is to lay eggs, and from these eggs bees comes out. So not directly. First from the egg larva comes out. You can see in this picture, this one is larva. These two larva means from eggs larva comes out, and from larva is converted into pupa. See this, and then pupa is then converted into adult, and these adult are categorized into queen bee, worker bee and drones. Queen bee then again lay eggs converted into larva into pupa and into adult. So you have to learn this cycle. So now, what is the role of worker bee? The role of worker bees is that to collect nectar from the flowers to make honey. And what is nectar? I had already told you that nectar is a sweet liquid that bees collect from the flowers. Now dear students, look at this picture. In this picture you can see some pupils or human who is a beekeeper. Anita Kushwaha was also a beekeeper. In this video, when I was explaining the chapter, I already told you that some bees sting the Anita and her face and body sometimes get swollen. But in this video, in this picture, you can see the pupil is fully covered by some special dress. Look at this one. No place to sting by the bees. You can see here shoes, then a special suit, then some gloves in the hands, and the head is also covered by net so that the bees cannot enter. So beekeepers wears a special suit so that bees don't or can't sting them. And this is a wooden box. See here, wooden box. In these wooden boxes, bees are kept, or bees are kept to make hives. And when they collect nectar, then from these the honey is collected by the beekeeper and sold into the market for money. The same way, now we will discuss the life of the ants. As I already told you, in a beehive there are mainly three types of bees. One is queen bee, another is worker bee, and the third one is drones. Now, life of ants. Ants live and work together as honeybee in the same way. There are also three types of ants in an ant colony. The queen ant, the soldier ants, and the last one is worker ants. The queen ants lays the eggs. Same in the honeybee. What is the role of the queen bee? To lay eggs. And in the ants also, the queen ant lays eggs. Soldier ants. Soldier. From this word you can clearly identify the role of the soldier ants. What does a soldier do? They look after and guard the ants nest from the attack of any other insects. एंड द लास्ट वन इज वर्कर आंट्स। वर्कर आंट्स जो कि काम करती हैं, वर्कर जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं। लुक फॉर फूड एंड ब्रिंग इट टू द नेस्ट। दे लुक फॉर द फूड एंड ब्रिंग इट टू द नेस्ट फॉर द other members of the colony. Like the ants, termites and wasps also live like this, means together in a colony. Dear students, now we will discuss the life of different types of honeybees. Number one is queen bee. This you can see in the picture. This is queen bee. What is the role of the queen bee? The queen bee lays eggs, and this is the very most important role of the queen bee here. Queen bee have a very unique life. They live in beehives. Every beehive has one queen bee, only one. A queen bee lay eggs, and it can lay up to 2000 of eggs in a single day. How many? 2000 of eggs. Now honeybee other than the queen bee. Queen bee के अलावा दो कौन सी होती हैं? एक है वर्कर बी और दूसरी है ड्रोन्स। देयर आर ओनली फ्यू मेल्स इन अ हाइव एंड मेल्स आर नोन एज व्हाट? ड्रोन्स। मोस्ट ऑफ द बीज इन अ हाइव आर वर्कर बीज। सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी होती हैं? वर्कर बीज, जो कि काम करती हैं। दीज बीज वर्क ऑल द डे एंड दीज वर्कर बीज कलेक्ट द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर। व्हाट इज नेक्टर? Nectar is a what? Sweet liquid that bees collect from the flower. Collecting the nectar, they make the hive and look after the baby bees. Who? Worker bees. They also look after the baby bees. They collect nectar from the flowers for honey. The male bees have no special role as worker bee. Male bees जो होती हैं उनका कोई special role नहीं है। Now look at this picture. These are what? Termites. Termites are also known as wood ant or white ant. Termites को हम क्या बोलते हैं? They are also known as wood ant. Wood माने लकड़ी, लकड़ी की चींटियां जो लकड़ी को खा जाती हैं, जैसे हम बोलते नहीं है कि घुन लग गया है। और white ant. The group of termites is called brood. They also live in groups and their groups is called brood. Now we will discuss some animals which live in a group. Number one is penguins. Penguins in this picture. It is an aquatic flightless birds. Aquatic means they live in water, mainly in the iceberg, and flightless that they can't fly. These birds means penguins can't fly. They spend roughly half of their lives on land and other half in the sea. They live half of their lives on land and other half in the sea. आधी जिंदगी वो जमीन पर रहती हैं and आधी वो sea समुद्र में। Group of penguins is called colony. What? The group of penguins is called colony. Group of penguins in sea is called raft. Means जब वो लैंड पर होती हैं तो उनके ग्रुप्स को हम कहते हैं कॉलोनी, और जब पेंगुइन्स समुद्र में होती हैं तब हम उनके ग्रुप्स को कहते हैं राफ्ट। नंबर टू इज वुल्व्स। द ग्रुप ऑफ वुल्व्स आर कॉल्ड पैक्स। क्या बोलते हैं? जो ये ग्रुप्स में रहते हैं वुल्व्स को, वुल्व्स आल्सो लिव इन ग्रुप्स एंड देयर ग्रुप्स आर कॉल्ड एज पैक्स। डियर मींस हिरन। यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर अ ग्रुप ऑफ डियर इज कॉल्ड अ हर्ड। The group of deer is called herd. Deer is a herbivorous animals. Means herbivorous animals eat only green leaves or vegetables. They don't eat flesh. So animals, those who eat green leaves or vegetables or grass, they are called as herbivores. Elephants. Elephants also live in a group, and the group of elephant is called herd. So dear students, this is the end of the video. Hope you have understood the chapter about the bees and the ants and the some animals, those who live in a group. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.